back to my channel. I am on schedule today. It is Saturday morning. I am filming. I did just film this pumpkin patch makeup look, so if you'd like to check that out, you could do so here. Today, I am catching up still. I'm doing a little unboxing. And in this video, I am going to be doing the Icon Box from... Wow, okay, so this was the Icon Box from February, all the way from February, the beginning of the year, 2025. It is what it is. I'm here doing it today. I have not opened it yet. So this was the Gabrielle Union feature for IPSY, and it is the Art of You. I love that. So here's a little preview, Confidence Queen. We are also embracing that, gaining our confidence back. So let's get into it. First thing I see is the Dew of the Gods Amalfi Heavenly Grade Body Serum. I absolutely love this brand. I tried their Spirulina face lotion and it's amazing. It smells amazing. I do have a little trial size of this product, so I'm super happy to have a full size one. This brand's amazing. Try it if you can get your hands on it. Next, I see the Biro Kale. The Biro New York Kale Moisturizing Gel. Salad Infused Beauty. I love that. I'm such a green girly, so. The packaging for Biro are always so beautiful. They put a lot of quality into not only their products, but their packaging, which I totally appreciate. It has virtually no smell, but it is this beautiful jelly-like moisturizer. So I cannot wait to put that in my little apothecary. Next, we have the Beauty Stat Triple Plump Coconut Serum. Okay, interesting. The chemistry you needed. Cool, let's check it out. Interesting, it's like a matte bottle. It is plastic, but it's a little bit heavier, so I can vibe with that. I think this product's separated. Let me shake it up. Interesting. Ooh, it's actually really moisturizing. The product looked super watery, but it's very thick and it's drying down super soft. Awesome, can't wait to try that. Okay, then we have the Shades by Shan makeup brushes. Also, don't look at my nails. I need to take some time for self-care. It's been a crazy week, okay? Anyways, they're this gorgeous matte white ombre into this beautiful peach color. It looks like a full set of eye brushes. Literally can't get enough brushes, so I love that. I'm putting them away right away. Next is the Maison Louis Marie number 14 Acilia. This is Ruby Pamplemousse, Mandarin Leaf, Jasmine, Bulgarian Rose, Dark Plum, Osmanthus, Patchouli, Vanilla, and Sakura Blossom. Beautiful packaging. Ooh, that smells so good. This smells just like Mademoiselle from Chanel, and I actually think in a previous video I just filmed, I opened up a trial size one, so I'm actually really happy that this came in an older Icon box because this smells literally just like Mademoiselle from Chanel, except just a tiny bit fresher. It has like a green note or a laundry note to it, but it has that deep, sweet smell. I love this, and such a beautiful bottle too. Okay, next we have the Kosas Glow IV Vitamin Infused Skin Enhancer in Spark, a sheer light champagne. I literally love, oh my god, that perfume smells so good. Okay, so this is just like a sheer skin tint. I literally live in these. I don't believe this one has sunscreen, but it has glutathione, vitamin D, and vitamin K. So love this. I love incorporating these into foundations, especially if the foundation is too dark or too light, depending on the skin tint. You can kind of mix and master. I did that today with one of the Huda skin tints that I have that's too dark, and mixed it with a Makeup by Mario foundation to get this like perfect match. So love that. Okay, next, ooh, this got smashed. The box got totally crunched. This is the Sculpt Tape Contour from Shape Tape in Cool Bronze. Okay, Tarte, we love their products. We love a liquid sculpt. I know that's gonna be great. And then I have the Laura Mercier Hourglass in Ambient, and this is in 5.5. We love Hourglass. I just picked up a new Ambient Light Press Powder. This did not come in the Icon Box. I just picked this up. So I'm curious to see how they pair together. But let's see if she's a color match. That looks pretty good so far. Roll up my sleeve here. How are we looking? I feel like that's gonna color match really well. It is a sheer buildable coverage. It doesn't have any smell other than that like classic makeup smell. Last item in this Icon Box is the Fresh Soy Face Cleanser. I double cleanse my skin, especially when I do a lot of makeup, you know, changing out looks. I am batching content, so I go through face wash like crazy. I have tried this before. It's a phenomenal product, so I'm really happy to have a full size. And that is what was in my February Icon Box from 2025. If you like this video, please leave me a comment. Let me know what you want to see next, and thank you for watching.